Assalamu alaikum class 6. We are going to do the remaining questions of chapter number 9 linear equations. It is on page number 133. Question number 8 is the sum of three consecutive even integers is 36. Find the smallest of them. First we have to suppose those three even integers, and we all know that there is a difference of 2 between even integers. Okay, so that's why I've written let the smallest even integer be x. Then of course the other two even integers will be x plus 2 and x plus 4, because there is a difference of 2 between even numbers. Okay, now according to given condition, x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals to 36. Now sum of these 3x will be 3x, then 2 plus 4 equals to 6, then equals to 36 came as it is. Now we have to find the value of x, therefore move this 6 towards the right hand side and it became minus 6. Now subtract this from 36 and we have got 30. Now 3 is being multiplied by x in the left hand side, shifted towards the right hand side and became 30 by 3, which is equal to 10. Therefore the smallest even integer is 10. Now question number 9 is Sana is senior to Mona by 18 years. This means that Sana's age is 18 years more than Mona. After 6 years, Sana will be twice as old as Mona. Find Mona's present age. First we have to let Mona's present age, okay? And let Mona's present age equals to x. Then Sana's present age equals to x plus 18, because Sana's age is 18 more than Mona's present age now. That's why I've written plus 18 here. Now Mona's age after 6 years will be, of course, x plus 6. And Sana's age after 6 years will be x plus 18 plus 6. And then sum of 18 plus 6 is 24. Now according to given condition, x plus 24 equals to twice of x plus 6. Because it is written in the question that Sana will be twice as old as Mona after 6 years now. Now multiply this 2 by x plus 6 and we have got 2x plus 2 6 are 12. Now we have to find the value of x, so shift this 2x towards the left hand side and shift this 24 towards the right hand side. Now subtract this 2x from x and you have got minus 1x, and subtract this 12 from 24 and you've got 12, and sign will be minus. Okay, now x equals to 12 because both signs got cancelled. Okay, now hence Mona's age equals to 12 years. Mona's current age is 12 years. Now question number 10 is Rehan buys a book and a pen and pays rupees 50 for both. The means sum of the cost of book and a pen equals to 50. Now the book costs rupees 8 more than twice the cost of the pen. Find the cost of the book. First we have to let the cost of the book and pen. Therefore I have written let the cost of the book equals to x and let the cost of the pen equals to y. Then according to given condition, the sum of both these prices is 50 now. That's why equation 1 is x plus y equals to 50. Now it is further mentioned in the question that the book cost rupees 8 more than twice the cost of the pen. Twice the cost of the pen means 2y, and 8 more than means we have to add 8 with it. Okay, therefore equation 2 will be x equals to 2y plus 8. Now from equation 1, which is x plus y equals to 50, we have to solve it for the value y, and it became 50 minus x. Now putting y equals to 50 minus x in equation 2, and equation 2 is x equals to 2y plus 8 now. So in the place of y, we have written 50 minus x. Okay, now multiply this 2 by 50 minus x and you've got 100 minus 2x plus 8. Now we have to find the value of x, so shift this 2x towards the left hand side and became x plus 2x. And then x plus 2x equals to 3x, and 100 plus 8 equals to 108. Now shift this 3 towards the right hand side and became 108 divided by 3, which equals to 36. Therefore the cost of the book is rupees 36. Now question number 11 is in 12 years a man will be twice as old as he was 12 years ago. Find his present age. First we have to suppose his present age. That's why I've written that his present age equals to x years. Of course 12 years ago his age will be x minus 12, and after 12 years his age will be x plus 12. Then according to given condition, x plus 12 equals to twice of x minus 12. Now so multiply this 2 by x minus 12 and you've got 2x minus 24. Now shift this 2x towards the left hand side and it became x minus 2x. Also shift this 12 towards the right hand side and it became minus 24 minus 12. Now subtract this x from 2x and you've got x, and sign will be minus here. Now minus 24 minus 12 equals to minus 38. Both the signs will get cancelled, and we end up with x equals to 36 years. So the man's present age is 36 years. Thank you.